Getting a letter from the IRS about a possible audit can be intimidating, but don't panic. Audits are common, and in most cases, the process is straightforward if you respond promptly and stay organized. In this video, you'll learn what to do if your business gets an IRS letter or audit notice, what documents you'll need, and the keys to getting through the process with minimal stress. First, recognize a real IRS audit letter. Official IRS audit notices clearly explain what years and items are being questioned. They tell you exactly what documents or explanation the IRS needs, and will always arrive by mail, never by unsolicited call, email, or text. Step 1. Don't ignore the letter. Read it carefully, note any response deadlines, and do not delay. Most letters give you about 30 days to respond. If needed, you can usually call the IRS number listed to request more time to prepare your response. Step 2. Gather your records. Collect all documents the IRS requests, such as receipts, bank statements, bills, tax returns, or logs related to expenses or income under review. Be thorough. Missing documentation can cause bigger problems or disallowed deductions. Step 3. Respond in writing, clearly and completely. Your response should include your full name and contact information, your tax ID number, reference to the audit letter number or IRS officer's name, a point-by-point reply to each IRS inquiry, copies of all supporting documentation referenced. If something is missing or you can't find every receipt, do your best to reconstruct information from other sources, like bank statements. Never provide originals, only send copies. Step 4. Get professional help if you're unsure. A tax professional or accountant can review the notice with you, help assemble the proper paperwork, and even represent you during the audit if necessary. This keeps you from making statements or mistakes that could expand the audit or cause additional issues. Step 5. Cooperate fully and keep everything organized. Respond by the deadline, keep copies of all correspondence you send or receive, and don't hesitate to ask for clarification from the IRS auditor if you're confused by a request. If the IRS changes your tax, you'll receive a summary and have the right to appeal if you don't agree. Paying promptly stops penalties and interest from adding up. In summary, don't panic and don't ignore IRS letters. Read the notice carefully and respond by the deadline. Provide all requested documents and clear explanations. When in doubt, work with a tax pro. Save every communication for your records by staying calm and following these steps. Most audits can be resolved quickly with minimal disruption to your business. Have questions? Visit our website or email us directly. If you found this video helpful, or know someone who might, please like, comment, and share. Want the latest updates? Subscribe today and stay informed.